Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be learning how to create a Yahoo account. So we click on the Firefox, the web browser, for us to start this. So this is the web browser. You go to the address bar and type in www.yahoo.com. So we wait for the Yahoo website to come up. This is the Yahoo website. If you already have an account, click on the sign in so that you can sign in. If you also want to create a new account, you can also click on this sign in. So I have clicked on it and I'll wait for it to come out. So this is what came out. I'll click on add account. If you already have a Yahoo account before, type in the email here, click on next and put your password. But if you don't have an account before, get down to this place and click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, now you can fill in your details. So I'll click on first name so that I can type in my first name. I'll then click on last name so that I can type in my last name. Then I'll put the email address that I want. I'm going to select one of the ones that they gave, eaugustine93@yahoo.com. You have the choice to pick the one you want. Then I'm going to put my password. Most people use their phone number as their password. For new people that may forget their password, you just simply use your phone number. Then here, select the country that you're from. So I'm gonna pick Nigeria because that is where I am from. Then type in your phone number. Then I'm gonna put my birth month and my birthday and the year I was born. Then gender, I'm going to select male. Then I'll click on continue. So once you do that, they are going to send a text message to this phone number so that you can verify before your account is created. So I click on text me. So inside here I'll put the text message that Yahoo has sent to this my phone number. So once I put that message or the number and click on verify, I will have a Yahoo account. So that is how you create a Yahoo account. I'm not going to put anything here because I already have accounts with Yahoo. Please click on the subscribe